Welcome to my channel.
But I love it.
Regardless of report income the closing 3 years, as a brand, Acura has largely struggled to discover the momentum and brand popularity of its rivals. Crossover SUVs were the emblem's saving grace, though, and this all-new 2019 RDX seems poised to kick matters into some other tools for Honda's luxury division. Without a doubt, any other tools might not be giving this new RDX enough credit score. Whilst the outgoing generation had a 6-pace automatic transmission, the 2019 version United States of America could count through 4, for a full 10 speeds. That subject, doing extra than predicted, is carried during the vehicle. New styling language, new platform, new engine, new all-wheel power tech, new infotainment, new attitude. In other words, the prototype visible right here isn't only a new technology RDX, it is a beacon of where the brand goes. That is the primary new Acura to fully include the styling language set forth by means of the precision concept display car that debuted at remaining 12 months' Detroit vehicle display. The new layout path subsequently sounds the death knell for the numerous iterations of Acura's broadly pan-shield grille nose, substituting Acura's new diamond pentagon face instead. That appearance became also previewed at the currently up-to-date 2018 RDX sedan. However, the RDX embraces the new language a lot more absolutely, as evidenced in its more purposefully sculpted sheet metal and light clusters. Having spent multiple hours pawing around this prototype at a studio ahead of its Detroit display, I will say that I lost sight on the RDX's new appearance to its predecessor. At the same time as I might stop short of calling it stunning, it looks taut, athletic, and is filled with high-priced searching details. The RDX's interior represents no less an intensive rethink, with a totally new floating middle stack and infotainment system. The manage array is ruled by means of a massive silver dynamic mode selector knob, which presents get right of entry to the automobile's Sport, Sport Plus, Consolation and Snow settings. The dial itself is unusually prominent, each in its size and vicinity. This region of the dashboard is taken into consideration beachfront real property through vehicle designers, and its area is commonly reserved for key capabilities like audio, VAC and infotainment.
You want me to, 'cause we can run, and we can stars that fall all for you. So tell me now, what's left to lose if we